Matching.
Tell me do so minimum.
Na minika musa dreams FC match na ekose. Ene ho da uboni ade no ekoyi kama.
Me no ka say enchekwa Sunday messages o kwa papa so. Ama various media houses say boy.
Okay.
Na ina abo mo da na Sunday. Ya improve attendance or stadium.
Okay. Na ebe hwe nimu se ebeba. De tosu mi no ye mo players here say ba ya na ye kantimu yesi ana ye bomb battle for being proactive say ene mu ntwen ma contract ma wie ye kura nsa na maka ho asem na mugu so ma chaase ni bi didi nkomo no kuro ma difficult ana ye kosen.
Come on, me that say no kuro me say player bia the contract aka less than 1 year bia no. Ya shafia I person maintain wo ya shafia ene wo mo di nkomo na ni na so we so refreshing say player bia e will say on any day only a baby negotiations now what are 20 women just work Kotoko.
Oh, na so far mum nya challenge bia.
Debbie. In fact, in the case of Samba, our foreign player acquired.
Mhm.
And I was obeying the rest of the football years in Ghana over spend work Kotoko.
Eh, then wo hu ha.
Well, I was very happy. But you know, happy with Kotoko, you know. That is a statement and one can count my name. So when you don't really carry it now.
Oh, okay. Etina wo ka say e refreshing yi. Na e ba say amu discan bi ka na say obi ade nko. Obi asem nko.
Ebinum ko na e ma ye pressure say e ba ye ntem. When the administrative for Indiana, and you know, but I can tell you, say, all the players I know, I will and say, Necra, we are open. You want to secure their positions.
Said the Baya assembly do a match it out for no players, you been away, what Mam no Muka say.
Oh, make I met my Samba and Asare. And other players are 11 when you can say, only now are willing to renew your contracts.
Na Blake home.
Blake, but many listeners here, I don't want to commit any idea. Later, no, them are the full list of players here. They're not moving now. And if I will come out with players are in contracts now I solve the issue.
Lawyer Ojidi nyame anim pa se blade e won kai.
But I know players no our contract less than 1 year no. Those kakra. The one here now for a mistake. But the kai pa na we very sure na. Asare
goalkeeper na Samba.
Samba, so the famous statement you're making into Nama,
okay, no. The blade and the see how Okaze unim.
The see how I mean, just for listen, no. Okay, what but I in the course of the week, you know, make my finish with the information.
Wait a second, Nasem, Oko office, I be a very armament, and this is a week.
There are other issues attending to especially league, you know. The remaining matches are not so
we now aside. Na mobile MTN FA Cup na and we discuss wa ha minim na e wani mu ase obi a mo headline sponsor ne ade na sabi otua sika last take contract ne kan na je say e ya ne sa na edurumire hia nipa dodo obehwemu a matwe na ade ekosoro kakra de obi a no mo ne ni agreement fufuro bi a yenim aba beto ho ama nkura no mu ya shine kura chen wo mo na ade na mo yesa.
Okay, tama this is be a take bia no idea a contract on some. And the first say was sponsors. The sponsors also aware say FA Cup no a competition be every organizing. The way a club needs to decide is over be there. Of course, that one is a football club a competition is in Tinayabo.
That's right.
And a sponsor non so I'm a competition grandma. What's the marketing? If you have the rules no or say over be there. And my way also the last sponsor is saying a bayano. I'm a 2 months son at the home with him. Lokotoko. In the Middle Africa, I say basically legal ticket and answer FA Cup ticket. It once they decided to have a bobby in the then for that period, now you have FA Cup competition, they say you comply with the FA rules and regulations. They didn't say FA last sponsor. No. In recent years, I am MTN. I'm better say. You have to say MTN. I'm going to compete with any of our sponsors for now. I didn't see a actually conflict. You was hard, you know. Now, anything said, you better comply with every rules.
Okay, next time it's here. Every mrana mo di two musam de babo MTN FA Cup no. Sam mrano ene shemo se mudu pompon so bia. O se mo de o ma de no bo manim. And that exactly. mo sponsor no ya way.
The sponsors no ya way say no do MTN FA Cup you be no. Because MTN FA Cup no so no e market sponsors in a way. We to take it to Africa. Ebe ma mo male no so akoso. Because one engage in competitions ya. You be sponsor when be bia free ho, na so be free ho. In the true tech competitions no. Ona ebe ma omo so no. Etime awake to mo ntime sa ma no say headline sponsor there or the headline sponsor.
Okay.
Eba ye na bia ye wo other network bi omo MTN you go abaka say conflict bi ho but we there you need similar internet exam similar anything. Dubaya for the past years sana happening ya any woman ya collaborative ya we previous FA Cup match boy sana na tie.
Okay. What can we also be discuss with Hantino? We say one more. Yeah, twice on there. What Lana Obi must be say Asare-New na boy because source which say Asare any ready to be committee no. Obetimi assure you say the whole canon emfani nya will be there.
Tamantina me the official spokesperson.
Okay.
Aye.
Okay.
Me na emfani tuma.
Ni anto di akamu. Lawyer, yeah, dreams. Money dreams and say na so dey ba na ye hwe ni mu. Fabra na ye mo ne model no. Na me sure that CP.
That's it.
You too.
Afei ye ntonga.
Enche na Asante Kotoko Asia meeting. Na Mr. Tu meeting the list of things expected from the Ghana Football Association someone Samba.
After polling.
After polling.
Okay.
Kai almost say enche. Ka send bi o mo twa ma season abawie. Ti starting kick on bi.
Season abawie is saying.
So some of the things ni bi suggest is a season ekwawie ya. You run this season and be expect FA ni so be na ehye. Ama clubs na di so. But also okay so the 2 year nim say about the commercial aspect they will fight for a lot of revolution. You sure say this particular MTN issue no a perfect case study. Say 2 clubs no e mo many ko moving forward. Because we all know say Ukujama other clubs na so they will have no kind of objection to it. Brukum Chelsea Golden Cakes Atram Divisi to almost sponsor ben omo ebi omo kwa kunya that huge conflict with their sponsor. Inti which kind of Kotoko has joint letter na the by there was an issue of a year kwanya be fast watch TV right ni sikasem concerning the game no. I think so many another a year issue omo mienu hia say no mo share bo say season the kwa wie ya they will perceive
na TV is be no no man.
Let me say we were talking about the commercial activities around the game and how they should get more and demands. And I'm see where is another example.
Okay.
Because the Omone class at Dreams FC call semi-final not the MTN born anymore. I said be anyhow because on the concrete be any panel they born anymore better. So the sponsor won't have much to talk about. But if it's Kotoko, if it's hard to folk, maybe I may have to go and justify our board members level for them to renew it at the end of the year. Into we soon come discussion moving forward. Now, Yambo Kotoko for Abaso on their step, but Abaso body of food, if they are able to achieve it. Yatibi pay. Last year, January, TB on Richmond Lamte. Naka Lamte 6 months. And a Lamte call Africa. And in Yan and TS, when you deal, the conversation was Sikania Tetia, a make it too heavy. So Kotoko, everyone Lamte, Atana. No, what was Wababa Kotoko. To some extent, Mukwala cry TB. Say Mukwala will even stay. But to a year season, that's our place, me anyway. On said, the hard journey, say, on more, I will pour more dear, so born more than ounce. I can more own poor, maybe I would join more quiet, yeah, boy, abaso. But more will pour more. But so they build a strong team to compete in Africa in the league, you need to keep them. No, near Cafe the Kasari, and to Mete Safuduku, then I want to trust him on that.
Both were repeating.
Yes, or repeating. I want to trust him on that because now. A different form of report on Frederick Kasari. But Ukraine said, if you keep him now, 2 keepers are that they be each other, they iron sharpen irons. Kamara or to an bench now only a pure competitor. Or to a man, I said, they will be in Pamu be over Tanafako. So having Frederick Kasari, having Kamara will be very good for the club. It's ever heard him whether they will be able to keep the players.
Traditionally, Kotoko. That was our record, no?
Yes.
Having 2-3 excellent goalkeepers at any point in time.
Yeah.
The work I said, when I could talk about Edward Dansa, Blast National Team be a 2-3, Sampe, Abeka, Ayuma, until he has been consistent with the club.
Recently. On the goalkeeper there, to offer the Osro. Now the Otosum, you know.
Now, some 2 back on there.
Oh, send a baby.
That's this one, sir.
Every position. No after the Oye, Mizutu.
I want to get excellent goalkeepers and manage them.
It's quite difficult, especially goalkeepers.
Is that baby was say baby our competition is also. Oda FA Cup, Oda other cups, Oda Champions League. Yeah, over league. Also, you can share it fairly.
Keeper, no, yeah, keeper. They said they already Buffon the Casillas or one team, and we be next to no. Tokane Besi.
So let's see how it will go. There are our positives. Positive news say you have options. Negative news say management of the players because one is the captain. And this is the goalkeeper recently no national team. So you will have to enjoy more playing time. Senior, no, to us the national team now. Position back ubetimi atoto nyoma yi ama when your national team call up your goalkeeping over the years. Local goalkeepers have more chance of making it to a national team than other positions. It's locally, if you are the best goalkeeper, normally you are now and you will love to have that position. So ever send Nyoma ever kwama Kotoko. One time so two, and now me didn't come and Saka and yes, Kotoko penny for plans and yes, season a query. I sent them here the last season, no. Omo mbekono omo query ya no mujo omo kwan. Na omo pese mo tu omo po omo no aye so fast. Omo aye ntem. Was the to last year bra Kotoko players be kwan no. There were some of the players no mama Kotoko they are wet. By the end of the day no so to what happened was that players ni bi omo ja players no kwan but omo enyo omo. Wow boy ati was an example. No ama ogum ne wet. E duru on ogum enya no. So this time around, you know, I think they want to work on their approach. And you just wear the pet. I say do a certain level.
That's the NSR wholesale.
Be a bear 8 B.
8 B.
4. 4 players.
Let him you know the 4 players now.
Players ever called the ever 4.
A mom 4.
4. 4. That's what I mean.
nipa mtifi no so ya obi a Asante Kotoko
Mama Chelu
so dey fan make am bi on dey so okọ
and ebe ka for
by no so on dey in the course of the season okọ but when the season another thing
so what dey
right back
do ba na ntia be chego on go be
Ajete obeko
wa ba na ntia be chego no ko e
so go no ya fe omo bi
o be chego bi na ntia
omo bi
asa na kan ya me
ah wa be chego na ntia
4 or 5 minutes ago
so obeko dwamena beko onya sei
eno ye wo na wo be so om kwa na zuzu se om be kwa
na wo ti abusa justice blue question
kwa no be so ko na team dey no
na say no command yes on be so
no question me
captain for the right and left asembeba menya na tie se player ba ko na say
ba mo mbeba mu so no so sa
e bi man be 7 but enye this last season
high profile 7 na
man be 7
omoye very disappointed in Ogum second round signings no
so
IMC no omoye very disappointed
anya strike si on balance
omo fan say
na say na nyi Ogum e
omo fan say ka susuru
say na omo nyina
then
no so steady as a place no come baby 1.5 baby 1.5 oh
seasons
1.5 inti half ni bi atwa wi aka 1 year inti say 1 year na bi omo hu say obi be ko to be bro 5
okay
be bro 5 say right left in the okko but to raise a question about and it was as a super another
I was always mentioning sourcing decisions
but
then you go play about 6 months as well
oh say in common here say Kotoko is smart coin and na case you into now position ba kwa Kotoko ni abre na left back why do you sign a player
smart Kotoko na window
na window no crime by and I see you do the boy
no is akwa no
you Trump
is smart no
Trump oh
wọ́n tó ọmọ yìí lè ní discount bí o bí sàn ẹ̀ wọ́n á bẹ̀ ṣe